Hello everyone, this is Manny. Thank you for checking out this episode of Really Dicey. Today we're going to open Essentials Kit, the new box set from Dungeons & Dragons. I just received this today, so let's find out what it is. Let's open it up. You see the Sword Coast, and behind it is Phandalin. I'm assuming this is the town where the adventure takes place. So overall, this is pretty cool. This is made for new dungeon masters, new players. This comes with Dragon of Icespire Peak, an adventure made for levels 1 to 6. This book is only for dungeon masters. If it's like the last starter set box set, this should be a lot of fun. That game was great. Besides the introduction to Forgotten Realms, this book is filled with mini adventures leading up to a finale of sorts. I'm not too sure yet until I play it. And afterwards, there's a section in the back that tells you where to go on from there. So that if you want to go to play Curse of Strahd or Storm King's Daughter. As I mentioned before, this book is only for Dungeon Masters. This one's for everyone. This is just your basic rules, pretty much a truncated version of the player's handbook, everything you need to make a quick character. I find this the most interesting though. It looks like the idea of using cards in role-playing games is becoming more of the norm. As if you go to your local comic book store, you could buy spell cards. The Essential Kit box set gives you everything you need to start your campaign. I think if you're kind of new, there's so much here to help you with your game. And if you're not new, there's an adventure available that may help you add to your stories wherever you're at currently. If you're looking to buy something for a new player, this may be a great way to start with. That way they're not bogged down with books or anything. You have everything essentially you need right here. I would like to say with the Essential Kit rulebook that is not made to replace the Player's Handbook and Dungeon Master's Guide, obviously. But there's enough in there to help start out your character. There's enough spells listed and level adjustments for your characters, just so you can finish this adventure. The cards that Essentials Kit comes with, they have a section for combat and different effects that happen to your characters. There is an initiative counter, so you can easily see who goes first and last. That's pretty cool. Cards for magic items, Alright everyone, thank you for checking out this video. Like and subscribe, you know the drill. I hope this has been helpful to you. And have a great day. Thank you.